Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a new project in the shop. It's replaced the Jag XJ40, so we've gone for the same sort of thing, prestige, and it is a Bentley. That's the Bentley mulsanne S 6.75 litre, 1989. So we've got jobs to do on this. Obviously I haven't bought anything that's great and ready to go. It's got stuff that needs doing on it. So we'll talk you around the stuff that what needs doing. We'll show you around the car, and then we'll do some stuff. Right, here we am inside the plush Bentley mulsanne. The first problem we've got that I noticed on the way back from buying it, well, it wasn't on the way back actually, it was a little bit later on when it got dark. It got dark and I went outside and turned the lights on. I wanted to check all the lights was working. It's got 2 months MOT on it at the moment, so it is sort of drivable, and I wanted to check what the lights was like, so I turned the lights on, had a look, and realised that none of the dash lights lit up, nothing at all. So that was our first issue. I looked into it and it said the whole dash had got to come out, but I've narrowed it down by checking the fuses, checking the relays. I've actually narrowed it down to a switch on the dashboard that dims everything, and I'll show you how I've got that out and what I'm going to do with it. So here's the dashboard. Obviously that's the centre console, sorry. None of these worked and none of these worked. Everything was off. Right, as I said, narrowed it down to the dimmer switch, which is this switch on the panel down here. So what I realised was, I don't know if you can see this because it's dark in here, but what I realised was the whole switch was turning with the chrome bezel, which means that somebody turned it all the way off and broke a connector of it, is what I thought. They said all this had got to come out, so what I did was, there's an ashtray here, I pulled the ashtray out, and then I was able to push this out from behind, and then we can get to the back of the dimmer switch here, and there you go, that is snapped off. Can you see that? There's a bit of glare on there as well, but that's snapped off anyway. So we're going to solder it back on, and we've got to stop this switch, because you can see that switch turns, look. We need to stop that turning, so that's what we're going to do now. Yes, so I'm going to use this connector on it rather than soldering it at the moment. I'm going to use this connector, then I can drop it back in and make sure it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crimp this connector onto here with these CAC crimpers, and pick one, anyone, because we don't know which one it is. We'll go for middle, the little one. That worked super well because it's still in my hand. I crushed it. Right, I'm gonna have to get another one of these. I'm back, flying my little red pipe. I'm black. I'm back. I've got another one, and I've got some better crimpers. We should be sitting on here with some sort of covers on these seats, because I'm going to make them filthy. I've already got dirt all over that one. And these are better crimpers, so let's see how this, because this, yay, it's crimped. So now I'm going to push it onto this connector with the broken one here. This is a different connector to the one I've just pushed on, so let's hope it fits after I've crimped it onto this thing. Oh, for God's sake. Might have to open it up a little bit. Ah, there we go. It's on. So now we're going to put this back in here, and it looks like it just locates. Oh, we've got a bulb there too. Put that back in. You could change all these for LEDs. It just locates with these little pins into these little holes. There's little sticks. These are little sticks. I don't know what there is. It's going back in the hole. You've got to put it down central so it doesn't. There we go. Trying to catch any of the leather. There we go. Right, that's in. So let's get the key out of my pocket. I don't need this little pipe anymore. I can discard that. Keys. These keys, obviously, I wouldn't say the original, but I've got a Bentley keyring. What? Right. Can we see anything? Yes, they are lit up. Yeah, turn that off. Look, them lit up. And this, oh hang on, this should work if I hold on to this because I haven't tightened it and turn it, you should be able to dim or bright. Oh, there you go, and again brighter, look. So there you are. We can see them now. So that is the first fix. Film maybe better. That is the first fix on the new Bentley. So if you want to see more fixes, follow us because there's many things wrong. But I will, before this video ends, I will quickly show you around the car and show you what problems we've got.